Hi, today we'll be looking at something very exciting. It's the American names for musical notes. Do you remember the musical notes we learnt in class? Can you mention some of them? Okay, mention them. One, well done, semi-brief, minim, crotchet, quiver, and so on. But today we want to look at the American names for these musical notes. That is, we're looking at another way of naming them. Meanwhile, the American names does not change the beat value of these notes. The beat value still remain the same. For instance, semi-brief is still 4 beats, even though it's called something else. So we'll be looking at this name. It's very quick and very easy. Alright, so the first we'll look at is this note. What's this note called? Semi-brief. Good. This is semi-brief note, but the American call it whole note. It's called what? Good. Whole note. So semi-brief is called whole note. It's still 4 beats, but it's called whole note. Let's look at the next note. The next note is minim note. The minim note. Minim note is called half note. It's called what? Half note. So it is half note because it is a half of semi-brief. So minim note is called half note and it's still 2 beats. 2 beats. Half notes. The next one is the crotchet note. Crotchet note is called quarter note. It's called what? Quarter note. Good. So it's called quarter note because it has 1 beat. It's called quarter note. So let's look at the next one. The next one is the quiver note. Quiver is called 8th note. It's called what? 8th note. Remember, we are looking at the American names. So then the next one we are going to look at is the semi-quiver note. Semi-quiver note is called 16th note. It's called what? 16th note. So I'm going to run through it again, then I'll ask you to identify them. Remember, we are trying to name them based on the American nomenclature. So I'll start with this one. This is called 16th note. 16th note. Okay. Then this is called 8th note. The quiver is called 8th note. The crotchet, on the other hand, is called quarter note. Quarter note. And then minim is called half note. Half note. Let's look at the last one. The semi-brief note is called whole note. Whole note, half note, quarter note, 8th note, and then 16th note. So I'm going to ask you to identify these notes. I'll show them, then you tell me the name. Are you ready? Good. So let's go. So what's this note called? Correct. Whole notes. Whole notes. Let's look at the other one. What's this note called? Well done. Half notes. Let's rush it. This is called quarter note. Correct. 8th note. Well done. So brilliant of you. And 16th note. So don't forget that semi-brief is called whole note, minim, half notes, and the rest. Alright, I'll see you in class. Take care. We're done. Bye. Good job.